Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for A-levels. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool that can transform your study routine. It allows you to centralize all your academic materials, from notes to deadlines, into one accessible workspace. Imagine having every subject, every assignment, and every revision plan neatly organized and just a few clicks away. This system helps you stay on top of your workload and reduces stress significantly. To effectively organize, begin by creating a main dashboard in Notion. From there, link to individual pages for each of your level subjects. Within these subject pages, utilize databases to store all your notes, past papers, and important web links. For note-taking, try using toggle lists to hide and reveal information, and callout blocks to highlight key concepts. This structured approach makes reviewing much more efficient. Notion excels at managing your revision and assignments. Create a dynamic revision timetable using a calendar or timeline database view, allowing you to schedule study sessions. Track all your assignments by adding status properties such as to do, in progress, or done, ensuring you never miss a deadline. You can also link specific revision topics directly to your detailed notes, making information retrieval incredibly fast and seamless. For more advanced use, integrate web clips and PDF documents directly into your Notion pages, centralizing all your research materials. Notion also supports collaboration, so you can easily share specific pages or even entire workspaces with study groups for joint projects or shared notes. Don't forget to explore the vast array of community templates available online. They can provide excellent starting points for building your personalized A-level study system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.